Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, your go-to destination for tech tips and tricks. Today, we're tackling a common dilemma: downloading Google Drive video files without owner permission. Don't worry, because I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. Let's dive in. Picture this scenario: you found an intriguing video on Google Drive. But there's no download option in sight. Fear not, because we're about to unlock the secret to downloading it anyway. First things first, open the video and make sure to set the resolution to the maximum available. Whether it's 720p, 1080p, or higher, crank it up for the best quality. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and select Open New Tab. This will open the video in a new tab, paving the way for our next steps. Next, it's time to unleash the power of Chrome Developer Tools. Navigate to the taskbar at the right corner, click on the three dots, go to More Tools, and select Developer Tools. Once you're in the Developer Tools, press Ctrl+R to refresh the page. Now, play the video again. It might take a moment to load all the data, so be patient. Now, let's hunt down the elusive download link. Look for Video Playback in the Developer Tools. This is where the magic happens. Right-click on it and select Open New Tab. And just like that, you'll be greeted with the download option for the video file. Click on the three dots, select Download, and watch as your video file starts downloading. Once the download is complete, you'll find the video file waiting for you on your desktop or in your specified download location. It's that simple. And there you have it, folks. A foolproof method to download Google Drive video files without owner permission. I hope you found this tutorial helpful on your quest for digital freedom. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy downloading. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.